Yeah, let's do some examples, practical challenges, practical scenario challenges on operators like and, in, or, not. Few operators I discussed only and or operator in the previous session. Let's just practice some more operators like not, in, uh, greater than, less than, equal to operators. Let's practice few more in this. Like first challenge, select employees from the HCM employees table who live in either Seattle or Sydney. So here or operator, use or operator like here. Select star from HCM employees table. Here in this employees table, employees only from Seattle and Sydney, right? Seattle or Sydney. Here Seattle or Sydney is a city, right? City. Here we have to use where city is equal to Seattle. It should be in single quotations. Seattle should be in single quotations. As it is, that letter should be as it is, capital, small, or capital and small, like that. And city, again city we have to take single quotation, right? Colon. Execute F5. See, only Seattle and Sydney. Here see, only Seattle and Sydney, we got the employees of Seattle and Sydney. This is the first challenge. Let's see the second challenge. Select employees who live in any of the following cities. Any of the following cities, like you can use, can get in two ways. Like what are that? Like select star from, see, already select star from where city in, we can use in operator, where city in these four. Seattle, open brackets, comma, Seattle, Sydney, quotation, single quotations, always put in single quotations. Strings always should be in single quotation marks. And right, by in operator and or operator we can use like this. We can use or operator, city is equal to Seattle, or city is equal to Sydney, or city is equal to Ascot, or city is equal to Henston. By using or operator also we can achieve this. Triple click F5. Seattle, see, city name Seattle, Sydney, Hilton, Ascot, like that. Hilton, Ascot. This city. Second challenge we can achieve like that, right? In operator, by using in operator. Third challenge, select employees from Sydney who have salary greater than 2 lakhs dollars. 2 lakhs, right? Employees from Sydney employees who having salary greater than 2 lakhs. Select C. Let's see. SCLUCT, select star from employees city is equal to, single quotations, city is equal to Sydney, is equal to Sydney, and salary should should be greater than salary should be greater than 2 lakhs, right? F5. See, salary who have greater than 2 lakhs, only 2 people, 2 persons, employees, 2 employees, right? In that way we can achieve third challenge by using AND operator. Select employees who live in either Seattle or Sydney, and also hide date should be after 2019 0101, right? Or AND operator. City Seattle and Sydney, right? Same this one. From this city, Seattle and city. See, from both put in brackets and what is that? Hire date. Hire date greater than or equal to date is a string format 20190101, right? Colon, let's F5. See, hire date after 2019 January 1st. These 6 employees we will get. From Seattle and Sydney. If you remove these brackets, you will get more combinations. We all discussed about this bracket. Order precedency, you will get more combinations. So you want only, it will give some combinations, that's why. So better to go with it did not give the condition, only this condition. So see, hide date here, hide date also 2015 9, so many hide dates are there. So we want only this. So like this we have to put in brackets. 5th challenge, select products from products where table which do not have product category. So product category we should not see. In products, what is that? Select star from products, F5. In products, product category 1 to 5. I don't want 1 to 5 product categories. 1 2 some 5 product categories there, I don't want. So how? Here just simply select star from products, where not in open brackets, what are that numbers? 1 comma 2 comma 5, right? Simple. Not in, it does not includes. What is happening? Where not required. Sorry, category, right? Category, mention category not in, where category category ID not in this other than 1 to F5. See, other than 1 to 5 we will get all the category IDs. We can achieve this by using OR condition also, by using category ID or category ID is equal to 1 or category ID is equal to 2 or category ID is equal to 5, not equal to means see, select star from this products, where category ID not equal to symbol, this one also you can use not equal to 1 or same to or right. Sorry, select all this F5. 1 sorry, end operator. 3 conditions should be matched, 1 and 2 and 3, like this. You can not equal to you can give like this, and you can give 2 less than greater than symbols like this also you can give, right. In this way you can complete the 5th challenge, right. Please practice operators, one of the important topic. Let's move to most important topic, interview purpose most important topic, joins in SQL related joins are the most important topic. Let's focus on joins now, end this session. Thank you.